In the chapter Human Multimodal Interaction, you obtain an overview over major classes of human multimodality in interaction. Here the focus is on non-speech social signals. The take-home messages of this chapter are as follows. Human communicative and social signals are represented on many different channels. All the presented classes of signals bear potential to make computers more intelligent, that is, to interpret and act according, for example, to space, attitudes, or emotions. You will also learn that most social signals are culturally differently defined.